Good morning, Dr. Hussein. We're very happy to have you this year in the 7th Myom, and I think we had you in the last year. I'd like first you to introduce yourself to the audience.
So I'm Professor Dr. Hussein Ahmed Khakan. I'm a retinal surgeon working in Pakistan, and I have a 20 years experience in retinal surgery. I've been trained in England and Germany and in Pakistan. So from last 20 years, I'm doing the retinal surgery. So I like this Myom 2025 meeting. It's very much standard meeting like another international meeting. The standard of presentation is very high and scientific. The arrangements are very good and hospitality is very nice. And I wish all the best in future. And I think every year the Myom meeting is getting more and more popular and it is getting more and more professional. I wish all the organizers of Myom, including me, the best of luck and congratulations of the organizers of 2025 Myom.
So thanks for having you this year, but I want to ask you a question. The retina consultant meets very tight situations, very difficult cases. He had many more complications. Even the outcome of the vision after the retinal surgeries is not encouraging in some situations. Is there any other specialties you have dreamed to have rather than retina?
No, I mean, I came in this specialty by my choice. When I was a resident, I was more prone to observe my seniors who were doing the retinal surgery. And if I get second chance in life, I will be a retinal surgeon.
Okay.
Because I do not operate. I love to operate in retinal surgery and I love this field. It's not just my profession, it's my way of living now.
Yeah, it became a hobby.
I mean, it's what that I have to do every day.
Okay.
I miss it when I don't do.
What are the names of the professors that affect your career and mentors?
So I've been trained with Professor Kampik in Munich, and I've been trained by Professor Ali Haider in Pakistan, and I've been trained by Professor Hari Toglo in Germany. So I worked with a lot of seniors who trained me. So I got the fellowship from the Germany in retinal surgery. I did the fellowship from Pakistan in retinal surgery. And I completed my residency from Glasgow as a Royal College graduate. And life goes on.
Oh, okay. So you prefer the retina specialized conferences or the conference like the 7th Myom, which involves many specialties at the same time?
Yeah, I mean, I think only retina meetings doesn't spread much knowledge. When you have the mixed meetings, the cornea guy, cataract guy, he has some issues with the retina, so he can learn during the meeting. Some retina guy feels something to learn and discuss with the cataract guy, he can do during the meeting. Okay, so I like 50-50. 50% there should be a combined meeting where you can have all the specialties, and 50% should be a specialty oriented.
So how many times have you been to the Middle East countries?
So in a year, I usually travel for, this year it's like my 19th conference.
Not 90?
Yeah, I never travel to participate. I always travel to present.
So what are your other hobbies?
What are?
Hobbies.
Hobbies. I mean, I love cooking. And when I was a kid, I love football and powerlifting. Now, most of the time I am cooking. And when I have a free time more, I do gardening and I watch football.
So you don't like to listen to music while operating?
Yeah, music, I am very specific for the music. So as I know 11 languages, so I can listen many, I listen Arabic because I can speak Arabic. I listen Russian music because I speak Russian.
Yeah.
I listen German music because I know German. I listen Spanish.
Any Arabic songs?
So I know Kulthum. I listen her only. So because I told you I am very specific. So I listen Kulthum most of the time. And
while operating, I listen to
yeah, Kulthum mean I am very cool. When I want to be cool down, Kulthum is there. And even before sleep, I listen her.
Oh,
Yeah. When I put her, I mean, it's not a song. It's like a harmony. It's like a fragrance.
Yeah.
She's not singing actually.
Yeah,
She's just spreading something more.
You know Warda? Warda? She's a singer, Arab singer.
No.
I advise you to listen to Warda and Faiza Ahmed. They are so relaxing and they make a lot of harmony.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Okay, nice to meet
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We are very happy to have you.
Thank you so much.
Hope to have you
And
here.
best of luck, inshallah. Thank you so much. Good to see you.